big worry would be not being able to do what I want to do in life.
Last time I got to know that my elder mother, like my mother's sister, passed away. That's when I cried because I was really attached to her. उनसे ज़्यादा close थे हम.
I don't know, it wasn't happening with me like past few like years, but since this lockdown and the emotional breakdown, financial breakdown, that has made me so emotional. Like I cry once every day, I guess. I think 2-3 days back only I was feeling that maybe I'm not that strong enough, and maybe yeah, you have personal reasons. So it's just 2-3 days back only I cried. And it feels so nice after that. It feels so relief after that. Hi, I'm Shivani. I'm 22 years old. I'm a model and I live in Bangalore. Hi, myself Sana Shalini. I'm 27 years old and I'm a model and actor by profession.
मेरा नाम दानिश शरीक है और मैं 23 साल का हूँ और अभी जस्ट मेरा ग्रेजुएशन खत्म हुआ है और मैं एक म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर हूँ.
Hi, my name is Keshri Mehta. I am 24 years old and currently I'm traveling. After a long time of pandemic, I've finally decided to go this weekend away to a beach. So that is my biggest happiness up till now. I guess when the lockdown got over was the biggest happiness till now. Escaping a big disease and like being near close to death and escaping that.
आफ्टर लॉकडाउन बहुत टाइम से पेरेंट्स से नहीं मुलाकात हुई थी, तो उस टाइम पेरेंट्स के बारे में बहुत सोचना पड़ रहा था कि लाइक उनका हेल्थ कैसा है, वो कैसे है, तो इन सब के बारे में ज़्यादा टेंशन हो रहा था.
Big worry would be not being able to do what I want to do in life. The worries, I guess, work because all these days in the lockdown we did not work, and money, of course, there was no earning. So हाँ, काम and पैसा अभी सबसे ज़्यादा worried ये था, and of course कि किसी को कोरोना ना हो जाए. I think my family is the biggest priority in my life. Priority my career. I want my career to be built soon and well, and I should have a good life, and I should provide my family a life which they, like always deserved.
My priority, first of all, it comes my family, then me, and then my friends.
My priority is to be healthy mentally and physically, and be able to do what I love. That's dancing and traveling and meeting new people and just being independent by myself. Okay, I don't keep a count on it, but I think very often, like, it's natural. Sometimes you're very happy, sometimes you're not. So it's not being ashamed. I'm not being ashamed that I'm crying. So it's nothing to hide. People cry. I also cry if sometimes I feel bad. So I think very often. No numbers. I don't know. It wasn't happening with me like past few years, but since this lockdown and the emotional breakdown, financial breakdown, that has made me so emotional. Like I cry once every day, I guess. So that's what I don't want to cry, but it happens. I become very emotional thinking about so many things, and I get tears in my eyes. So yeah, right now it's every day.
ऐसे तो याद नहीं है, but last time I got to know that my elder mother, like my mother's sister, passed away. That's when I cried because I was really attached to her. उनसे ज़्यादा close थे हम.
I don't believe कि कोई सही एज होती है शादी करने की. I think वो 20s में भी आ सकती है, वो 30s में भी आ सकती है. It's just कि आपको फील होना चाहिए कि हाँ, this is the right person for me and I can get married to him. जब तक आप श्योर नहीं हो तो फिर कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको इसी एज में शादी करनी पड़ेगी. No, it depends all on like surety and your beliefs. That's it.
If you consider here in India, I guess it is always 24 where you should 24, 25 where you should get married. But for me, it's not like that. I guess you should get married when you're ready, not according to your age.
जगह जगह पे डिपेंड करता है. लाइक इन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज यू सी पीपल लाइक टू मैरी लिटिल बिट लेटर. इंडियन कल्चर में थोड़ा जल्दी लोग मैरी करते हैं. और एज फॉर मी, मुझे पहले फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल होना पसंद है और फिर लाइक उसके बाद अगर मैं इन सब चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दूँ तो वो ठीक रहेगा.
It depends from person to person. So I wouldn't want to generalize and say like one specific number. ऐसा कुछ सोचा नहीं मैंने कभी कि हम like why are we born actually in this world, but I think हर चीज का reason होता है. I don't know. I guess I'll skip this question.
I guess सबका एक पर्पस है यार लाइफ में आने का. लाइक गॉड हैज गिवन यू दिस लाइफ फॉर अ पर्पस जो आपको अचीव करना है, आपको फिगर आउट करना है.
I guess we just don't know. We just find out eventually in life what our purpose was. And I don't think that's just one purpose. There are a lot of things that we can fulfill. So it's more than just one thing. जो पैदा होता है उसे मरना तो पड़ता ही है. If we are a living being, we have to die. If we are a non-living being, we are already dead. Because that's how God has made the life. We cannot be like living forever and forever and forever. So we have to die once.
तो सवा सर सुहागा और एंड ऑफ द डे कुछ अच्छे करके यहाँ से चले जाना, तो वही होता है मतलब a proper life.
Your purpose is fulfilled. You have, I think, past life karma as well. What's pending from your previous life. So once that's done, you just return. I think earlier, as every one of us knows, there was that the equality was not up to the mark. कि थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होता था. बट आई कैन सी कि आज की जनरेशन में अभी धीरे धीरे वो इक्वालिटी मिल रही है.
Still here in India, it's not that equal, but yes, it is, evaluating and it is becoming better, but not that equal. Yeah.
In today's generation, there's a lot of equality now that all girls and boys are like treated equal in a lot of ways, but there are still some lagging parts in the society, and I guess in future वो भी ठीक हो जाएगा.
At the moment, no, but I guess we're getting there. Girl only. I love being a girl. I think a girl has so many profits. Like I don't know, हमारे पास options ज़्यादा होते हैं. If you can see in shopping, in makeup, in everything, in every aspect, I think girls are very very powerful, and I'm very happy being a girl. मैंने कभी regret नहीं किया कि okay मैं लड़की क्यों बनी. हाँ, कुछ चीज़ें हमने society में face की है. इधर उधर लड़के रात को बाहर जा सकते, लड़कियाँ नहीं जा सकती, लड़के कर सकते, लड़कियाँ नहीं कर सकती. पर फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अपने लाइक इन माय नेक्स्ट लाइफ अगले जन्म में भी लड़की ही बनना पसंद है. बिकॉज आई जस्ट लव बीइंग अ गर्ल.
Always want to be a female because I guess it's a blessing becoming a female. I'm not telling it's not good being a male, but of course a female.
Next gender, that completely depends of God. Whatever, like I'm fine both with male or female. It's nothing because I feel female are like really very strong, and being a male, even we face certain situation जहाँ पे हम लोग को बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है, like बहुत strong होना पड़ता है. तो कुछ भी मेल या फीमेल दोनों मिले, I'll be fine with it.
Female, still female. I just prefer being a female for a lot of things. I think the sensibility, emotionally, and other things are more in females. So, first thought which will come to my mind is traveling. I will travel wherever possible, wherever I wanted to ever. I'll go wherever I wanted to travel, to the mountains, to the beach, to the island, everywhere.
Oh my god, that's a nice question. So, if I get 5 crores, first, I would like to take a very, very good house. Not a very huge house, but a nice, good house. Second, maybe one good car. And then third, I would like to invest the money in some business. I mean to say, I'm that kind of person who believes like you should make money from money.
I would like to travel all the more and go to different cities. See, it's as such goals तो होते हैं दिमाग में, but for me it's like setting up my career.
This year, there are a lot of goals to achieve. There are a lot of bucket list things to do. Or currently, I'm doing that. Like one of my bucket list thing was to shoot or something, and I'm doing that.
This year would be to get to see the snowfall again and also get better health-wise.